capital expenditure during the year 2025 and 26. The central government, central public sector enterprises, and four government or key government organizations have spent around 8.5 lakh crore during the year 2025 and 26. This is 14% more than the target fixed by the government. So, what are the main government undertakings which are investing in capital expenditure? Those are Railway Board, National Highway Authority of India, Delhi Metro Rail Corporation, Damodar Valley Corporation, and these are the corporations who spent more during the year 2025 and 26. The government is also proposing to boost broader public capital expenditure to fasten the economic growth even during the external turmoil, disturbance in West Asian countries' war. This entire capital expenditure by the government and non-government undertakings (CPSUs) reached nearly 18.5 lakh crore during the year 25-26. All these reputed enterprises as having target of spending 100 crore capital expenditure every year. See, the main criteria for investing in capital expenditure is to improve the infrastructure capacity, to upgrade the quality, timely delivery, and convenience to the users. So this public capital expenditure and the amounts and the CPS expenditure towards capital expenditure became important for economic growth of India. So how this capital expenditure became possible? That because of the domestic private investments in India, or they are investing huge amounts in equity market or bonds market through mutual funds. That is making the funds available to meet the capital expenditure by the government as well as central public sector enterprises, as well as national four key important authorities of India. Out of these government organizations, Railway Board itself has spent around 2.49 lakh crores during the year 25-26. The National Highway Authority of India has spent 2.44 lakh crores. Major petroleum and power firms exceeded their budget of 25-26. The example is NTPC has spent 47,000 crores. Power Grid has spent 37,500 crores. Indian Oil Corporation has spent 36,300 crores. Bharat Petroleum has spent 35,000 crores. All these are the amounts spent by these organizations towards capital expenditure. Means all this capital expenditure invested by the government as these reputed organizations, central public sector enterprise, will enhance the productivity, capacity, expansion, increase the quality and timely completion of the projects. All this will help by increasing the capital expenditure, which gives benefit in the longer period than the shorter period. So one of the other organizations which spent more on capital expenditure are Hindustan Petroleum Corporation, Gas Authority of India. So all these corporations, all these entities spent more than 15% compared to previous year 24-25. All this is possible, all this is happening even there is a West Asia conflict continuing. Means the war involving USA, Israel and Iran, the war is going on. Even then, the government could spend because of domestic investments received from the investors, maybe in the form of shares, bonds, SIP, Systematic Investment Plan, and all these are providing investments to meet the capital expenditure requirements of the central government as well as central public sector enterprises, and other central government entities like railways, National Highway Authority India. All these are corporations are able to spend more on capital expenditure because of funds available from the domestic investors.